Good afternoon. Beautiful summer day. More signs of summer. Of course, the blooms that are ongoing and those busy bees that are taking advantage of it too. This was sent to us by one of our viewers, Angela, in the Jamestown area. She caught this photo. If you've got a great photo of wildlife or flowers or anything summertime and weather related, we'd love to see it. You can upload those photos to valleynewslive.com. And today's a good day to head out and maybe do some picture taking. We've got beautiful weather. It's sunny. Temperatures here are in the 70s to some 80s. We're looking at 79 right now in Fargo. Warmer even up in Grand Forks. We are at 82 degrees there. It's 83 in Jamestown and Wadena, another spot that's reached 80 degrees. We're at 81 in the Wadena area right now. So again, warming things up here ahead of a cold front that's dropping in. And we're also looking at some dew points that are on the increasing end here. We're looking at some numbers into the 60s. So you're going to notice just a little more humidity in the air as you're outdoors here today. We're looking at dew points ranging from some low to some mid 60s in a lot of spots here. So we're watching that wind out of the south in the Southern Valley, and one gust here in Fargo to 21 miles per hour. And then in the north, we've got a wind out of the north. Makes sense here. We're looking at a northerly gust of, or northwesterly gust of 17 in Hallock. So it's changing where we're seeing that front moving through and we get that wind shift. Not really bringing about much cooler temperatures as I just showed you. Everybody's in the 70s to some low 80s. It's just really more of a wind shift and just a slight cool down coming up here in the forecast. Your view right now on the radar and satellite map. This is our visible picture on satellite. Nothing to show you on the radar, but you can see just a little line, a thin line of some broken clouds moving through there in northern parts of the valley, making its way southward. Most of the cloud cover well north of us into Canada. So let's take a look at today. We've got beautiful weather continuing on into the afternoon. We can expect to see temperatures that are going to be into the 70s to some 80s. Again, warmest south ahead of the front. We're looking at some mid to upper 80s, maybe even approaching or reaching 90 in places like Ellendale and down towards Sisseton. Northern Valley, again, with the cooler air taking over, staying mainly in the upper 70s for your highs with some low 80s as well. In fact, Grand Forks has already reached 80 degrees, so it's possible we've already seen our high or we'll warm up a little bit more before we start to watch those temperatures come down. Now into the evening, we'll start to see our temperatures slide a bit, but it looks like a really mild, warm evening for us. 10 o'clock, we're still in the 70s in the south, some 60s up to the north, and overnight we'll kind of stay in that range. 50s in the Northern Valley, 60s in the south as we head into the start of your Wednesday. And we just kind of keep this going. Cooling down slightly with the cold front. We'll be into some upper 70s, low 80s coming up for Wednesday and Thursday. Next chance for rain, I think, will be later Thursday night and overnight into the Friday morning time frame. I would say a chance for some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Not a great round of significant rain showing right now in our 7-day planner. So all in all, quieter temperatures, 80s. Not too bad for summertime, especially after last week.
Yeah, really hard to complain after what we went through.
Right. We're looking at some really great weather.
Sounds good. Thank you, Lisa.